Hey guys, how's it going? Just making some cannamilk, a very short version of the first cannamilk video recipe that I made. This one it's going to be really short. So basically you take your decarboxylated weed, and what that is you throw your weed into the oven for about 25 minutes or a half an hour on about 240 degrees so you don't burn it. And then you take that weed, you get some milk in a pot, and just keep it on a really low simmer. I'm doing a crazy potent batch. I started with 16 grams and I'm only using 3 cups of milk right now. So now what you want to do is just stir it every couple minutes like so. I like to go one way and then I like to go the other way, just so the bud really mixes up in that milk, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to continue to do this shit and you guys sit tight.